Hungry, short on time, and reaching for junk food? I get it. That's why I created Eat in 15, real meals ready fast. We begin with a quick fish read. No fancy shopping list, no complicated prep, just making something good from what's already there. Accessible, affordable, and fast. So whether you're buried in deadlines or just feeling lazy, you can still eat well at home. I'll also be sharing quick hacks, smart tips, and simple steps for flavor-packed meals. I'm showing you that a busy schedule doesn't have to mean a boring menu. It's all about turning those everyday staples into a massive win, skipping the guesswork, and taking back control of your kitchen. No waiting for a delivery driver, no settling for cold snack, and zero compromise on the food you actually want to eat. This is a real meal, fresh, bold, and ready to go, plated in just 15 minutes.